In today's video, I will be showing you how to update the firmware on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. The method I will be showing you is what's referred to as the manual method. You will need three things. First, you'll need your GoPro Hero 9 Black. It's a good idea to make sure your GoPro has at least 50% battery charge before you start this process. Second, you'll need a micro SD card and probably an SD card adapter in order to put this into your computer. And third, you'll need a computer. Your computer can be running Windows, macOS, or Linux. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to gopro.com/update. Here, you'll click on Hero 9 Black under the Cameras heading. On the next page, you'll scroll down to the Other Ways to Update Your Camera heading. You will select Update Your Camera manually. On the next page, you'll need to enter your camera serial number and your email address. You can either get the camera serial number under the General menu on your camera, or you can get this by pulling out the battery and the serial number will be on that slot. After entering this information, you'll need to agree to the terms of use at the bottom. You'll then click Next Step. On the next page, you'll click Download Update. In most operating systems, this update will download directly to your Downloads folder. At this point, you'll need to insert your micro SD card into your computer. Next, you'll navigate to your Downloads folder, and you'll find the file named UPDATE.ZIP. You'll want to right-click on this and click Extract All. Once the folder has extracted, you will see a folder named Update. Right-click on Update, select Copy, and navigate to the micro SD card that you pulled from your GoPro. Right-click on this card and select Paste. The update folder will then copy directly to your micro SD card. Once this is finished copying, you're going to remove your micro SD card from your computer, and you're going to insert it into your GoPro. Once you've inserted it into your GoPro, you're going to power on the camera. The firmware is then going to proceed to install. You'll see this screen on the front, and you'll see this screen on the back. It's going to take approximately 1 minute to install, and you want to keep your camera powered on while it does. Your camera will then restart, and then it will give you an update complete message. It will restart one more time. And that's it. You're all set to go and you're running the latest firmware. If you found this video to be helpful, please like. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit subscribe below. Until we talk again, happy GoProing.